Okay, so today we're going to talk about volcanoes. Hunter, do you know what lava is called when it's inside of the earth still?
Magma.
Yeah, and then when it comes out of the earth, what is it called?
It is lava.
Yeah, and usually it comes out of a what?
Of
Yeah. Volcano.
a volcano.
Do you guys think you can draw a volcano? What do you think a volcano looks like?
No, I already know.
You do? Can you guys
Yes.
draw a volcano and I'll get the rest of the stuff already?
No, I'm doing different volcano.
You can do any kind of cano you want.
Two of my favorite colors. A
Okay.
green for my color. See?
Okay, if
It
you...
looks like this.
Oh my gosh, it does. Yes, you're right.
And I'm going to draw grass.
Okay.
Toss little phobia.
Here are the other colors. Those are looking so cool. Okay, I'm almost done setting up all the stuff that we need. Is it a sunny day or is it a cloudy, rainy day? What kind of day is it?
It's a rainy day. And mine is
Oh, I see that. Is that one raindrop? You can look outside for a reference, baby girl.
What?
A tree usually has a rectangle for the body, right?
No,
The trunk.
I see.
And then branches.
See the rain is
And then lots of
dropping
leaves.
there. See the rain?
Okay, we're gonna try to make a volcano out of our molding clay.
Out on molding.
Well, it's not really clay, it's like a squishy molding, kind of like Play-Doh.
Wow! There's some brown.
Yeah, you found the brown.
It's white in here.
We're going to try to build a volcano together. We're going to do one volcano, and we're going to do it together, and then we're going to do a chemical reaction. Do you know what a chemical reaction is?
Okay. See the wind had blowed these raindrops this way to the lava.
I see that. That is a very detailed picture. I love that. And before we actually do the volcano, we're going to just take a look at the chemical reaction. So while they are still finishing up their volcano drawings, which are turning out so amazing, Hunter's even drawing a rainbow because there's rain and sun. And what happens when there's rain and sun?
It makes a rainbow.
It makes a rainbow. That's all finished with your drawing?
Yes.
Want to hold up your drawing and show everybody? That is so beautiful. Look at that. You have your volcano with the magma inside and then a lava outside. Rain, sun, and our rainbow. And look at all that grass. That is a really great drawing. Goodness, can you get a little bit closer so we can see? Look at that. We have a volcano with a magma inside and lava coming out. You have rain and a rainbow as well and beautiful grass.
And some our backyard.
In some of our backyard. Would we have a volcano in our backyard?
No, it is a yarn.
Oh, it's just a line back here.
No, so lava can't go back.
I see, so lava can't go by. Got it. Those are so good. We're gonna put those over here for now.
Welcome with Science with Toddlers. With Science with Toddlers. What kind of toddlers? We're going to do a chemical reaction today. We're going to use baking soda and vinegar.
Okay, so the first thing that Mommy did is I'm repurposing some old skincare bottles. These are glass, so we want to be very careful because they can break, okay?
Oh.
So there, glass, and I put a couple of drops of food coloring inside of the bottle, and we're going to fill up these bottles right now with a little bit of vinegar. This part is a mommy dew. What color do you see in that first bottle?
The first bottle, red.
Red. I'm just going to pour some baking soda in a container. It can be any size container. This is just to see the chemical reaction before we make our volcano, because the baking soda and the vinegar are going to react. It's going to make a chemical reaction. So what you can do is you can take any kind of utensil, it can be a fork, we're using some paintbrushes to kind of make a trail. You can make little lines or design, any kind of thing you want. And then we're going to take our little containers. These have little eye droplets. So we're going to be able to scoop up, suck up some of the color and drop it onto the baking soda. We're going to see what happens. Do you remember how to do these?
Yes.
We squeeze to suck up the liquid, and then we squeeze to release it, right? Let's see what happens.
Squeeze it in here?
Yes, hold on one second. Let me just get this closer so we can see what's going to happen. Can you smell it? It's kind of stinky, huh? Go ahead and try, you guys, at the same time.
Oh.
Whatever color you want to start out with. You can mix colors too. Okay, let's see what happens.
It's all gone.
Gotta squeeze it.
Okay.
Okay, drop it onto the baking soda and see what happens. Whoa.
Whoa.
What's happening, guys?
A bubbling bubble.
Do you see that? That's called a chemical reaction. Because you're mixing that vinegar with the baking soda.
And I want to see when I drop on the yellow. Well, it turns red.
It turns like an orange, huh? Because when you mix yellow and red together, it makes orange. Isn't that so cool? You're making all those bubbles.
It is making all of those bubbles. Oh.
Oh, that looks so cool. How about get some blue in there? And purple. Okay, while you guys are doing that, I'm going to fill up another little bottle with a little bit of baking soda. And then we're gonna build our volcano around this bottle. And it's gonna look like a volcano's exploding. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take my funnel here and put it in, fill this up with some baking soda, and then we'll be back with our vinegar and our volcano.
Whoa! And then squeeze it all in one spot, makes it look cool. Whoa, it looks like it exploded. I'm going to use red for the volcano because it looks like it's lava.
I'm gonna fill it up most of the way. We're gonna give it a go because we got our tray, so if it explodes too much, the cleanup won't be as bad, I hope. So now I'm gonna take the molding clay and put it around the bottle and kind of shape it into, you don't wanna look? Why?
Cause I want to see and think it was a bottle.
Oh, you don't want to know the secret?
I know me too.
Okay. That looks really pretty, huh? Look at all the bubbles, and it created like air pockets in the...
This created like...
What does it feel like?
It feels like...
Did it make it hard or anything?
No, but it's still soft.
It's still, yeah.
Whoa, that looks
So this
cool.
project, it's safe enough to touch and feel because it's just vinegar and baking soda. So it's not like toxic chemicals. We're not messing with any toxic chemicals. It's all just safe stuff.
It has sponge color in it.
It really does look like a sponge. You're right. That's a good observation.
Yes.
That's a great observation. Kind of like a
It's a
volcano.
volcano.
Okay, do you want to go ask Daddy if he wants to see a volcano erupt?
Okay.
Okay, now as a scientist, we need to make a hypothesis. What is your hypothesis, Hunter? Do you know what a hypothesis is?
Yes.
What is a hypothesis?
Thinking what it will do.
That's right, that's right. So as a scientist, Hunter, what is your hypothesis?
I think it will explode.
Yeah. How big do you think the explosion is going to be?
I think it's going to go out of the tray.
Ooh, out of the tray? Oh my goodness. Are you ready for cleaning that up?
I think it will go out then like that.
Are you ready to clean it up if that happens?
I think it's going to do this.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Be
going
for
to
that?
this.
You think it's going to do that too? So
Allie thinks
all the way out there?
Allie thinks it'll go like this.
I hope it doesn't get that big.
Daddy, what is your hypothesis?
What is your hypothesis?
My hypothesis is it's going to explode everywhere and you guys have to clean it up. Sit down.
Bring these away.
Watch.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Chemical reaction.
More.
More?
Dump it all in.
It didn't come out. It didn't explode.
It didn't explode, but it made all those bubbles and it made all the baking soda.
Make a bigger
Oh.
reservoir in the bottom. Hold more liquid, I guess.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Now is that magma or lava?
Isn't that so cool? So what is that called, you guys?
Lava.
Lava, yeah, but when you combine two things, is it called a chain reaction?
Nope.
No. What is it called? Chemical
Chemical reaction.
chemical reaction, that's right.
And I want to do it.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to pour it in.
You have to make a big...
Okay, you know what? Here we go. It's not going to look like a volcano because we don't have enough
wrap it with...
modeling clay.
Brown paper.
I think the paper, oh, what about the packing paper?
Yeah.
We could make one with the packing paper real quick.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that might make a big mess.
The big one, it'll explode.
We're just going to kind of wrap it around
Here?
this bottle here.
Wow.
Yeah, why not? It's just to make it to look kind of similar to a mountain, a volcano.
This is going to be in here to fill the baking soda.
Yeah. Well, it's not the prettiest, but we're trying. I'm gonna put some food coloring right inside.
Oh. It isn't coming out.
No, because that's just the food coloring. It's not the vinegar. The vinegar is what makes the chemical reaction with the soda, with the baking soda. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Like so excited?
Yes.
Oh my
The
goodness.
big one.
Oh, Mama's cleaning this one up.
Should we do it outside just in case?
Yeah, do it outside.
Maybe on the grass?
Do it outside on the
Okay,
ground.
let's take it outside.
Hey guys, come over here, come on. There's volcano room.
Okay, Hunter, are you ready?
Yes.
Do you want to pour it in?
Yes. I do.
You go for
Are
it.
they standing far away?
Not to stand very far. It's not going
Go
to
ahead.
explode. Alright.
That's cool. Oh.
That's it?
Whoa!
You can put in more baking soda.
We ran out.
Oh, you ran out?
I was only going to do the little one, but it got exciting, so I wanted to do a big one too. That was cool.
That was
Cool! Thanks, Beck.
See, it's still bubbling a little bit in there.
Yes, it
Still
is.
doing a little chemical reaction. It's just not quick enough to have it come out the top.
Did you guys like that?
That was fun. Woohoo!
Oh, thanks for watching.